好，第5條，咁佢就話有個 function 咧 f(x) 等於 x 4次減 x 3次加 x 2次減 x 加1。佢話當 f(x) is divided by x 加2嘅時候，個 remainder 係幾多啦？咁呢個時候咧，其實我希望大家咧心目中咧會記得 remainder theorem 講啲咩嘅。佢就話我哋原來咧，我哋將一個 function 咧 divide by 一嚿嘢嘅時候，如果嗰個係譬如function 啦，如果 divide by x 減 a 啦咁個 remainder 咧就會係等於 fa 嘅。我希望大家心裏邊有呢樣嘢。咁好啦，咁如果佢而家 divide by x 減 a，x 加2咧，其實即係 divide by 咩咧？即係 divide by x 減翻-2咯。咁所以個 remainder 係 f 負2啦。咁代翻落去啦，咁負2嘅4次方減翻負2嘅3次方減翻負2加1咁計翻出嚟嘅答案咧就係31D啦。